Welcome to January's market update. We will take one final look back to how 2019 wrapped up and a quick glance forward to what we anticipate in 2020. Last month's sales volume was the highest we've seen in the month of December in 6 years. 2019 sales volume was up 4.5% over 2018, and inventory dropped for the 6th month in a row, down 24% from last month and 15% year over year. Median sales price in December was essentially unchanged from November and up 5.6% year over year. Median days on the market stands at 23, essentially the same as it was last year. And if we annualize sales, we currently have a 35-day supply of homes, which is down significantly, 26% from just last month. As we take our traditional deeper dive, the hot topic for the day is inventory. There is just not enough. The supply of homes for sale is down 15% last year, and that is significant. It is traditional for inventory to increase, however, at the highest rate of the year later this month and in early February, so I'll track that to see if it helps balance out supply and demand, but right now the shortage is significant. And as you can imagine, with limited supply comes upward pressure on prices. So prices are holding up well for this time of year. One bright spot is new home inventory is climbing. There is opportunity out there with the new inventory category because there are so many new subdivisions coming online. So let's talk a little bit of where the opportunities might lie either as a buyer or a seller. For buyers, winter still has a psychological effect on sellers, whether they be resale sales or builders. There is still lower buyer traffic, and that can help your money buy more this time of year versus what it'll buy in just 90 days. For sellers, what are some of your opportunities? With this limited inventory, do I list early? Well, I would tell you that trends still apply here. Spring will be spring, and that means higher levels of traffic and more competition. So as a seller, that should still be your sweet spot for getting the best price and terms. It is wise, however, to make sure you get on the market as early as makes sense so you make that nice balance of beating others to the market right as buyer fever hits its highest point. How are iBuyers affecting the market? Well, they're really not. The why is, why would you? Why would you take a discount on your house when your house has never been worth more and will sell quickly using the traditional method? Now, there's always an unless, and I'm happy to submit you through our program to some competitive iBuyers to see if there's something in their program that makes sense for you, whether it's an extended stay after closing, or if you're in a situation where you absolutely positively need to move in 14 days to a cash buyer, it might make sense to take a look at those programs. Let's take a little look forward now for projections for 2020. I really think 2020 is kind of going to be a trip back in time. I think 2020 will be much like 2017 and 2018. Competition among buyers will be high, and prices will hold up, netting probably near or even in some cases above asking. I think in general, as long as interest rates stay in this range, we're going to continue to see a competitive market. And I don't really see any indicators that we're going to see that change for at least the first half of 2020. We have a couple of quick fun announcements. One that I am just absolutely thrilled to share with you. If you have been wanting to buy a home and you're close on credit score or you're close on down payment but not quite there, and you would love to participate in a lease to purchase program where you can move into the home that you want, eventually buy it and own it outright, and on closing day not have to move. Not only that, you could actually live in the house as if you already own it. They do allow pets. Our program is very exciting. So let me introduce you to our lease purchase program. You simply go to 24krealestate.net. Sign up for our lease purchase program. I can get you more details on it, but just suffice to say this has been something that I've been wanting to offer for some time, so I'm very excited. Lastly, I'd like to say thank you to all my northern friends. We just had a fantastic event up in Westminster last week. We went to Fat Cats in Westminster for a night of bowling and fun. There were folks from all over the northern metro area, Westminster, Thornton, Erie, Arvada. We had an absolutely fantastic time, and I really want to thank you all for coming out. That's it for this month. I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for the repeat business and referrals, and we'll chat again with you real soon. Take care.